Hello, it's me, your science teacher. Welcome to class 2, virtual class conducted by Anderson Kasky. In our previous class, we have learned about the materials around us. So, materials around us, we have learned it, okay? We have learned various kinds of shape and size of the materials around us. I hope you have done your homework as well, okay? So, let's move on to the another topic today, okay? So, materials obviously have the what? Matters. That is, what the materials is what? Hard or soft. Okay, the materials either hard or soft. There are various types of materials around us we have regularly seen in our daily life. Some are hard and some are soft. So, can you give me some hard object and soft object? Obviously, okay, hard object example just the stone, your bed, okay, stone bed, okay. Can you sleep on a table? Can you sleep on a table? हजुरहरु के टेबलमा सुत्न सक्नुहुन्छ? No, I think it is very difficult to sleep because we need form, okay, we need bed, we need what? We need form, small, we need soft object to sleep comfortably. Understood? So that's why we can't sleep in a hard object. Understood? So that in bed it has form. Okay, that is what? That is soft. The form is soft. Okay, so these are the various kinds of materials which are soft or which are hard. So I will give you 5 main things, okay, on a board. So you have to determine whether it is hard or soft. Okay, let's start. Okay, so I will ask one question. How do you find the object is hard or soft? We either find it by seeing it, or we have to what? Touch it. Okay, we have to touch it. We can't see, we can find any object is hard or soft by seeing it. Okay, sometimes we may be confused, so we have to touch it and feel it whether it is hard or soft. So I would like to give some example of hard and soft things. You have to determine whether it is hard or soft. Okay, so let's start. Pencil, butter, okay, then bus. Another example is ripe banana. Another example is table. So here I have 5 things around us. I think you have seen pencil, butter, bus, ripe banana, table. So you have to determine which object is soft and which object is hard. Okay, so are you ready to determine which object is hard or soft? Of course. So let's start. Have you ever touched your pencil? We can break it. You can break it? No. It is very hard. That's why pencil is hard. You can say it is hard. Have you ever eat or see butter? Butter देख्नु भएको छ? No. It melts. It is very soft. Okay, it is very soft. Obviously, bus is very hard. Have you ever seen or touched? This ripe banana. Do you know what is ripe? Okay, ripe and raw. And say ripe means it is ready to eat. Okay, ripe means it is ready to eat, and raw it is not ready to eat. Okay, so ripe banana is very soft. Okay, by tossing it we can find it. Understood? And table. Have you ever touched table? If you have touched it, so I think you have easily determined it is whether it is hard or soft. It is hard. It is hard object. Okay. Now students, you are able to find the surrounding object, whether it is hard or soft. Okay, whether it is hard or soft. So let's move on to another topic, that is materials around have different shape, size, color, taste. Okay, so let's try to find out. So before, I would like to give some example here. You have to determine it, okay, whether it is hard or soft. Okay. This is a raw mango. Okay, this is a raw mango. This is your pencil. Okay, this is your pencil. So, okay, I would like to give another example as well. This is your table. Okay, now you have to find it. Which object is soft or which object is hard? Soft or hard? Okay, raw mango. Can you guess it? Yes, it is hard. The raw mango are very hard. Okay. Pencil, it is also hard. Table, it is also hard. And you will question me, what is the soft object? Okay, that's a good question. I am making you some confusion. Okay, so soft materials, you can easily write. I will provide you soft. Okay, soft is foam. This is a foam. Okay, it is very soft. Your paper is soft. This is a page of a paper. Okay, page of a paper you can easily tear. Yes, you can easily tear the paper, so it is soft. Okay, this leaf is also soft. We can easily break. We can easily what? We can easily do anything. Okay, so these are the soft and hard objects. So how do you find hard or soft? Basically, we find hard or soft by either touching it or we can press them. Okay, for example, this duster is hard or soft. How could we find? Either we have to see it or we have to touch it. We have to press it. Otherwise, we could not find it. For example, what is the difference between the raw and ripe? Then say raw and ripe. If both mango are in same color, that is green. Okay, so both are in green, but one is raw, another is ripe. How could you find? If we see together, they both are same. They both look like green in color, but after touching it, after pressing it, we can easily find whether it is hard or whether it is soft. Obviously, raw mango are very hard. काँचो आँपहरु एकदम हार्ड हुन्छ. Okay, strong हुन्छ भने ripe mango can be soft. We can easily eat with the help of our teeth. Okay, now sometimes you can say by looking only. We can sometimes say, okay, but looking only we can't say. Okay, some illusion will become. Okay, if I make a banana by clay, okay, if I make a banana by clay, okay, it is the illusion. You can't find, you can see, okay, the banana is whether hard or soft. So we have to touch it. Understood? We have to press it. So now next topic is materials have what? Color. Materials have color, taste and odor. Okay. Materials have color, taste and odor. Okay, so I would like to give some example here. You would like to find the materials color, taste and odor. This odor means smell. Okay, this odor means smell. So here I have rose plant. Here I have what? Rose plant. Okay, and I have here raw banana, raw and ripe mango, or we can say here we have orange. Look here, what is the color of rose? Okay, I think rose have three varieties of color: white, red and yellow. Others we can also see, but basically we see here rose is red. हामीले प्राय जस्तो रातो रोजहरु देख्छौं. Okay, the color of raw banana, काँचो banana is green. Okay, that is raw means काँचो. Okay, don't be confused, is green, and ripe mango is what? Yellow, and orange have its own color, that is orange. Okay, so that's why the materials have color and it have taste as well. Look, rose, have you ever tasted rose? I think you haven't tasted. So rose we can only smell, we can smell the flowers. Yes, it is very attractive and very what? Smelling. So from the flower we can make perfume. Do you know that? From flower we can make perfume, which we use, okay, to what? To make our body what? Smelling, or to look us very smart or good. Okay, so raw banana, have you ever tasted raw banana? I think you have tasted or you haven't tasted. Okay, it is very what? Sour in taste, tito, bitter. Another taste, have you ever eat mango? We all love mango. Okay, mango is the king of the fruits. Fruits ko raja bhanera चिनिन्छ पनि. So I think this season, especially summer season, हामीले must we eat mango. Okay, it is very sweet in taste. We love to eat mango. It is yellow inside. Yes. So I think orange. What is the color of orange? Orange is orange. Okay, it is also very sweet in taste. So these are the some materials: color, taste and odor. Okay, so now you can easily identify the color, taste and odor. So how could you identify the color? By seeing it with the help of your eyes. Okay, so we need what? Eyes. Okay, so imagine if you do not have eyes, then close your eyes, all of you. If you have to close your eyes, then you can't see anything. All the objects are dark and we can't see the beautiful things in our surrounding. Okay, so taste. Which part of our body is used in a taste? I have asked this question in previous class. Taste, tongue. With the help of tongue, we can taste the surrounding objects, which can be eatable. Okay, khane kurahरुलाई मात्र टेस्ट गर्छौं. Okay, odor means smell. I think you have find the smell with the help of nose. Okay, so we have clear about the materials, color, taste and odor. Okay, now we are going to I would like to give you some examples again, and you have to what? Classify yourself. Okay, so let's write the example. Kitchen waste. Okay, kitchen waste. Kitchen बाट निस्केको फोहोर मैलाहरु. Have you ever eat chili? Have you seen red chili? Or have you seen green chili? Or we can say perfume. Perfume, etc., etc. Okay. Now you can find kitchen waste. Kitchen waste odor. There is a bad smell from kitchen waste. Okay, if it is decayed, then there is very bad. Imagine if you haven't bathed for a month, or if you haven't bathed for a 2 months, then from your body the bad smell came, which everybody do not like. Okay, and we identify that bad smell with the help of nose. Okay, and here we have, I have write here red chili. Obviously red chili have which color? Red color. Okay, and that chili is very spicy. Okay, and obviously green chili have which color? Green in color, and this is also very spicy. Somebody like spicy food and somebody do not like spicy food. And here I have written here perfume. So how can we determine perfume? By smelling it. Okay, so here are some materials: color, taste and odor. So let's move on to another topic, that is hot and cold objects. Okay, now we can easily find which object is hot and which object is cold. Hot and cold objects. Okay, how could we find hot and cold object? We can find hot and cold object by putting our hand. Okay, with the help of skin we can find hot or cold because we can easily sense it. Sensitivity huncha hamroमा. Okay, for example, we drink tea. हामीले चाहिँ टी खान्छौं. The tea are hot. We eat milk. Sorry, we drink milk. Okay, हामीले milk खान्छौं. Milk also hot. So likewise, we eat ice cream. Have you ever tasted ice cream? It is very cold. When we feel very hot in summer, after walking in a very sunny day, then we like to what? Bath in a cold water, or we need ice cream or cold drinks to maintain our body temperature. Cool. Okay. So we know something is hot or something is cold by touching it. Okay, we have to touch it. We can't see the surrounding object hot or cold, or we cannot determine the surrounding object hot or cold by seeing it. For example, if I put a boiling water in a bowl, or boiling water in a thermos, or anything in a bucket or any place, then we cannot find the water is hot or cold by seeing it. Okay, we have to touch it or we have to taste it. Okay, that's why we have to touch the surrounding object to find the hot or cold. Okay, I would like to give some example and you have to write whether it is hot or cold because you have already tasted or you have already touched it. Okay, some examples are a cup of tea. I think you have already drink tea, okay, in your life, and most of the students like Coca-Cola as well. This is a cold drinks. Okay, and soup. Okay, and soup. Another is ice cream. Last one is boiling water. Okay, I hope all the students have seen it, touched it and tasted it in your life. हजुरले चाहिँ चिया खानु भएकै छ होला, you have tasted Coca-Cola, soup, ice cream and boiling water, you have seen it. So now you can easily find it. A cup of tea is very hot. You can write hot. It is a hot object. Coca-Cola is very cold. It is a cold object. Soup. We can eat vegetable soup, mushroom soup, chicken soup. Okay, lots of soups are there. It is very hot. Okay, we like to eat soup very hot. Okay, hot soup are very delicious. After it cold, then its taste has been gone. Okay, we like hot soup. Likewise, ice cream is very cold and boiling water is also hot object. So these are the some objects which are hot and which are cold. So in this way we have complete the materials around us chapter completed. Okay, so now I would like to give you some homeworks. Okay, as a feedback, whether you have learned it, whether you have understood or not, you have to do your homeworks and submit to your teachers. Okay, so now I would like to provide you some homeworks, okay, so that you can busy at home. Okay, so write any, well, if you write it down, you copy, write any 5 or 5, okay, 5 soft and hard object, okay, soft and hard object. Okay, विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरु हजुरको वरिपरिको सफ्ट र हार्ड अब्जेक्टको चाहिँ के लेख्नुस्, एक्जाम्पल लेख्नुस्. 5 example of soft and hard object. Okay, another question, it is very interesting. Circle, ल सर्कल गर्नु पर्यो है. Circle the soft object or materials from the list. Materials from the list. Okay, I have provided you some list here. You have to circle the soft object. Okay, these are the main questions which might be came in your exam. So learn it. So I will give you apple, form, pencil, stone, butter, cotton, other ripe cooked rice, okay. Here are some examples: apple, form, pencil, stone, butter, cotton, cooked rice, ripe orange and raw banana are the some examples. So which objects are soft? Please circle it and do it. Okay, thank you class. This much for today. We'll meet in next class obviously. So goodbye. See you again. Thank you. Bye bye.